Hello and welcome to Process Revealed. Today, we're diving deep into the journey of pork, how it goes from farm to table. Along the way, we'll uncover fascinating facts and health benefits at each stage of the process. Let's begin. Pig farming and rearing. Pigs are raised in farms where they are fed a balanced diet to ensure healthy growth. Farmers prioritize animal welfare, hygiene, and nutrition to produce high quality meat. Fact: pigs are highly intelligent animals, ranking close to dogs in terms of cognitive abilities. A well raised pig can weigh between 250 to 300 pounds before processing. Health benefit: pork is rich in high quality protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Slaughter and initial processing. Once pigs reach the ideal weight, they are transported to a processing facility. The slaughter process follows strict human methods to minimize stress and ensure ethical treatment. The carcass is then cleaned and prepared for further processing. Fact: modern pork processing facilities follow stringent food safety regulations to ensure the highest quality meat reaches consumers. Health benefit: pork is an excellent source of iron, which helps in red blood cell production and prevents anemia. Unlike plant based iron, the heme iron found in pork is easily absorbed by the body. Carcass breakdown and meat selection. After the initial processing, the pork carcass is divided into different primal cuts such as loin, ribs, shoulder, and belly. Each cut is suited for different types of cooking and culinary uses. Fact: the most expensive cut of pork is the tenderloin, known for its tenderness and mild flavor. Health benefit: pork contains B vitamins such as B6 and B12, which support brain function and energy metabolism, helping you stay active and focused. In a pork processing facility, quality testing follows strict inspection protocols to ensure safety and freshness. First, visual inspection is conducted. Fresh pork should have a consistent pinkish red color with no gray or green discoloration. Excessive liquid or unusual spotting may indicate spoilage. Next, texture testing is performed. Quality pork should be firm and resilient when pressed. Any slimy or sticky surface suggests bacterial growth and is immediately rejected. The final check is the smell test. Pork should have a neutral, slightly sweet scent. Any strong, sour, or ammonia-like odors indicate spoilage, and the batch is discarded. After testing, only pork that meets strict safety standards proceeds to cutting, packaging, and distribution, ensuring high-quality products for consumers. The process begins with carcass breakdown. The pork is placed on a sanitized cutting station, where trained workers use sharp knives and saws to separate primal cuts like the shoulder, loin, belly, and ham. Next, the secondary cutting phase refines these sections. Automated blades and skilled butchers trim excess fat, remove bones, and portion cuts based on product requirements, such as chops, ribs, or ground pork. For bulk processing, high-speed slicers and portioning machines ensure uniform cuts for retail and food service. Any scraps are collected for further processing into sausages or ground meat. Finally, the cuts are inspected, vacuum sealed, and sent for refrigeration to maintain freshness before distribution. Hygiene protocols are strictly followed to ensure safety and quality. Chilling and storage. The pork cuts are rapidly chilled to prevent bacterial growth and maintain freshness. Proper refrigeration ensures the meat remains safe for consumption. Fact: chilling pork at temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, helps retain its natural juiciness and flavor while preventing spoilage. Health benefit: pork is a great source of zinc, which strengthens the immune system and promotes wound healing. Including pork in a balanced diet can support overall health. Processing and packaging: pork can be further processed into products such as bacon, ham, sausage, and ground pork. These products go through curing, smoking, or seasoning to enhance their flavor and shelf life. Fact: the process of curing pork with salt and nitrates has been used for centuries to preserve meat long before refrigeration was available. Health benefit: lean cuts of pork, such as pork loin and tenderloin, have less fat than skinless chicken thighs, making them a heart-healthy protein choice when eaten in moderation. Quality control and safety checks: every batch of pork undergoes rigorous testing for contaminants, bacteria, and quality assurance before reaching the market. Strict government regulations ensure food safety. Fact: pork processing plants use advanced technology such as X-ray machines and metal detectors to detect any foreign particles in the meat. Health benefit: pork is naturally rich in selenium, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and supports thyroid health. Distribution and retail: once inspected and packaged, pork products are transported to supermarkets, butcher shops, and restaurants. Proper cold storage and transportation maintain freshness. Fact: pork is the most widely consumed meat globally, making up over 36% of the world's meat consumption. Health benefit: pork fat, when consumed in moderation, provides healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that support heart health. Cooking and consumption: pork can be prepared in countless ways: grilled, roasted, braised, or stir-fried. Cooking it at the right temperature ensures safety while preserving its natural flavors. Fact: the recommended safe cooking temperature for pork is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, with a 3-minute resting period to retain moisture and tenderness. Health benefit: cooking pork with fresh herbs and vegetables enhances its nutritional value. Adding garlic, for example, can boost immunity and promote heart health. From the pork sausage production process begins with meat selection and preparation. High-quality pork cuts, including lean meat and fat, are carefully selected and inspected for freshness. Next, the meat is ground to the desired texture using industrial grinders. Seasonings, spices, and curing agents are added according to the specific sausage recipe. The mixture is then blended thoroughly to ensure even distribution of flavors. Once mixed, the sausage is stuffed into casings using automated filling machines. Natural or synthetic casings are used depending on the product type. The sausages are then linked, cut, and shaped for uniformity. After stuffing, sausages undergo cooking, smoking, or curing depending on the variety. They are then quickly chilled to preserve freshness before undergoing final quality checks and packaging. Farm to table, pork goes through a carefully managed process to ensure quality, safety, and nutrition. With its rich protein content, essential vitamins, and delicious flavors, pork remains a valuable part of a balanced diet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into pork processing, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Asterisk Process Revealed Asterisk for more behind-the-scenes insights into how everyday products are made. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.